There comes a moment in some men's lives when they look at the woman beside them and silently think, she's not the same anymore. Not as young, not as attractive, not as exciting. And they wonder, when did my beautiful wife become ordinary? One day, a man visited his elderly father. Without hesitation, he said, "Dad, I want to divorce my wife." The father looked up, surprised. The son continued, "She has changed. Her body isn't the same. She doesn't take care of herself anymore." He paused, then added quietly, "I think I deserve someone better, someone younger, someone more beautiful." The father didn't argue. He didn't raise his voice. He only said, "Let me come to your house tomorrow. I want to see her myself." The next day, the old father visited his son's home. He watched his daughter-in-law carefully. He noticed how she served coffee with slightly shaking hands, how she picked up toys from the floor without complaining, how she smiled, a tired smile, but a gentle one. Her clothes were simple, her face showed lines of exhaustion, her hands were rough, yet there was patience in her silence. The father said nothing, no questions, no comments. He simply left. 3 days later, the father called his son. "You're right," he said slowly. "That woman is no longer beautiful." The son felt relieved. Then the father continued, "But I have found the perfect woman for you, more beautiful than anyone you can imagine." The son asked eagerly, "Where is she?" The father replied softly, "She lives in a place called home." "That woman you called ugly," the father said, "is the same woman who stood beside you in your best days and your worst. She sacrificed her body to bring your children into this world. She grew tired not because she neglected herself, but because she carried your life on her shoulders. She didn't lose her beauty," the father said firmly. "You lost your sight. Because when you stop looking with love, even the most beautiful soul starts to look ordinary. A woman doesn't become young again through filters or surgeries. She becomes radiant again through kindness, gentle words, and respect. If you want a beautiful woman," the father whispered, "make your woman feel loved again."